Well, it may be sunny outside right now, but the weather is going to do a 180 tomorrow as we welcome back the risk of storms, including the potential for severe weather. And that is why we've issued a weather impact alert day. The timeline on this one is going to be a narrow window from 4 to 10 p.m. So much of the day is going to be dry. In fact, you're going to wake up to sunshine tomorrow morning. So don't be surprised if things turn stormy in a hurry. That Mercy Health Perrysburg cam does show you blue skies and a beautiful looking view. Still feels warm and humid, but should be nice and dry for those sporting events and dinner plans. Northwest Ohio and southern Michigan are dry right now. All of those storms quickly racing towards eastern Ohio and Pennsylvania. Tomorrow's storm threat is going to impact much of the lower Great Lakes from lower Michigan back towards Indiana, Illinois, and even as far south as Missouri. So looking at your Wednesday planner, starting off the day, you will see some sunshine. Around lunchtime, it is going to have that muggy and unsettled feel, but it should still be dry. And it's really the afternoon time frame, especially after 4 p.m. when that alert day kick starts and we usher in some storm chances. Late day storms, hot and humid, 87 degrees, and winds could be gusty at times. During the daytime, they'll be at about 5 to 15, but storms could really ramp things up during the evening. Here's what that looks like visually on our weather map with the hour-by-hour forecast. This evening, most areas staying dry. There is a very slim chance for a brief pop-up, but I do expect most spots to be totally dry tonight. Looking ahead towards Wednesday, again, most locations dry throughout the daytime. That cold front, it's going to start sparking storms to the west of us around lunchtime, and then by 4 p.m., look for those storms just to the west of us crossing the state line through the evening. In about 24 hours, we'll see stormy conditions, and then by about 10 p.m., the last of those showers will be tapering off behind a cold front. Severe risk from 4 to 10 p.m. What impacts specifically can you expect? It's going to be the strong winds and the heavy rain. Winds may be over 60 miles an hour at times, and there could be some local areas of flooding. The tornado threat is on the lower end of the spectrum, but it's still a possibility and one that we will watch very closely. There will be impacts to outdoor activities, including those summer camps tomorrow. Stormy weather is likely during the latter half of the day, and more tranquil conditions are expected to return into the weekend. And enjoy Thursday if you're not a fan of the heat, because it's going to be a brief reprieve before a big heat wave arrives. Thursday afternoon is going to be in the upper 70s to near 80. Those arrows show you the northwest wind. It's going to be a little more refreshing and less humid ahead of some summer heat next weekend. Only 81 Thursday after that alert day. Friday is going to be in the upper 80s, and we're going to be in the 90s next weekend. And there are going to be some hot weather impacts expected. Of course, if you're taking a dip in the pool, it'll feel great. But if you're out doing yard work or manual labor outside, it is going to feel like 100 degrees starting Saturday, and it'll be a fairly prolonged stretch of hot conditions, essentially from about Saturday through Wednesday, with a number of 90-degree days. That extended forecast does keep the heat around through the middle of the week. Our next cold front is expected to arrive Wednesday, along with a chance of scattered showers and storms, and overall feeling like summer in that 10-day forecast.